Very good morning to all of you. Today we are going to make a discussion about the money is everything or nothing. So I would like all of you to present the views initially and later on we'll be making a discussion. So would like to start first.
Okay. Hello everyone, this is Rishi Singh. As about this topic, like money is everything or not, I really feel like money is everything for this world, actually on this planet Earth. I feel like because everybody is really like judged by the money in your whether it is relationship or any of the emotion and any of the thing going on this planet. I feel like money is everything there because you see that it is like that. Yeah.
Thank you. Next.
According to me, money is everything because we cannot do anything without money. Not only India but also all over the world, money is important for human beings. Without money, we cannot buy anything. That's why many people said that ये दुनिया पैसे से चलती है.
Okay.
It example that when people gave it tax bribe, it is an example of money is everything. Yes.
Thank you. Next.
Good morning, all of you. I am Akash Badoya. I am telling about money is everything or nothing. I am grateful to have a chance speaking for you. Nowadays, more and more rich people are becoming and arrogant because they have more money. So,
Is that over? Thank you. Next. Speak a little bit louder.
Money is not everything because with money you can buy a book but not buy knowledge. You can buy hospitals but not buy life. Money is not everything. People spend more money to go to their places but not interesting to place them. People spend money to buy books but not interesting to read them.
Good. Next.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Mansi. I'm talking about money is everything or nothing. Money is the basic need of life. Money is one of the most essential thing in life. There are many people who earns a lot of salaries and live a happy life. Money, you need money to buy clothes, personal product, and clothes. The real joy of life come with the money.
Yes.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Mohit Rahul. I'm talking about money or everything is nothing. Money is everything because money without money people can't not get any facility like medical facility, educational and daily basis product are. He will going to any market. He
Need.
This only on need on money. Without money cannot buy this. Only on without money cannot buy every product. That's it.
Thank you. A very good morning to all of you. Money today, it is a need of art. To do anything, to perform any actions, to run the business, jobs, education, everything that is slightly associated with the money. Money, it is the center of attraction. You do anything in your life, money that takes a separate position and money that has a different status in the society. If anybody who possesses the large amount of money, like he is respected and he is admired by the people. Today, people, they don't get impressed the amount of knowledge you have initially. But first they look at your clothes and first they look at your standard. Once they assure you have secured a very nice lifestyle or the standard you have, you're respected by the people, but ultimately, as I come to the point, money is not everything. There are so many things to achieve in the life. You should be equally well in your social life, professional life, and in your spiritual life. There are 5 to 6 dimensions where the money can support you to achieve the things you want in your life. But you see, money that has stand apart in all the aspects where the people, they are longing for money and they are losing their comfort zone to make the money to get the comfort back in their life. We don't get satisfaction. Money should give you satisfaction. The amount of money you have, you need to be very satisfying with it, and you should hope to earn more, but do not lose anything which is in and around in your life, social life, professional life, and you need to have a proper balance in that, so that you may have a proper fruitful advantage of the money having in your life. Thank you.
What I really feel like nowadays, as we said that the relationships, we should not discount them with the money. But it's not like we are doing something. It is like what is going on. Your relatives are also going to give you that priority when you have money. Like the person who is unemployed at your home and is 25-year-old, he is having no any of the respect from any of the member, which is not good idea. Yes, nobody is just praising him out. Nobody is motivating him or doing to do something. And also, money is like everything at this point. We really feel like. So whether it is any other thing in the world, money is everything. Yes, I wanna join one more point here. That is like if you are the one who think like you are gonna do many things in your life and for this world, you really need the money at that time. You wanna be a rebellion person, or you wanna be any of the person who wanna do something good for this nature, for this universe. Yeah, so you need the good amount of money to do something in that way.
Money provides all types of luxuries and comfortable life, but money not provide happiness to a man. People spend more money to buy any house, but not to buy he can not buy a home.
Okay, so happiness, as you talk about happiness, you cannot buy by the money. But these days, if you see, like happiness can be bought by the money only. We have only one source. The people are not really spiritual by their mind. Yes, so they need something. They need devices, or they need any other thing like cheaper way, like economical way, whatever it is. So to get the happiness, they are getting happiness by those things. Yes. Now, if we talk about any of the spiritual things which we don't know about, so how can we talk about that thing? Yes, like any of the internal happiness or joyfulness, we don't know anything about it. Yes. So what we have on like in front of our eyes is that the money. If you earn the money, you get a luxury. You be happy. You have song, you have movies. You just go with your partner and just visit some places. This is just because possible of the money. Without money, you cannot do that thing. So you are buying happiness. It is, yes, it is. You are buying happiness.
Money gives you power, which means you are free to make your choices and take the decisions which are best for you. Money is the basic requirement of the life. There are many people are spending money on things, but they don't need. So those people are wasteful with money.
Disadvantage of money, because every person is day by day needs are grow, but there are no money. That's why he is day by day increasing crime, theft, and murder is also included.
Look, they are the people who are the criminals and the thief you're talking about. They're the people who don't know how to spend money, who don't know how to earn money. So they are some of the people who you can say that they are the viruses, So you have to just remove those people. The people who don't know how to live, you cannot just depend like the money is the base thing. You cannot just say all the money is the base thing. You should not just give the importance to the money. It's not like this. They don't know how to use money, how to earn money. They don't know how to live their life. So that's a different topic, I feel like.
At the initial level, you find the people, they are coming and saying money is not everything, money doesn't have the worth, because there are so many things in our life which are important. Surely they are important in our social life, how your relations are going on, and how about you feel yourself, like are you doing well in your life or not, are you hardworking, or there are so many spiritual factors which are coming in your life and which are pumping your blood to do the right actions. You see many things which are happening around you, and you don't agree with that, slightly you don't agree with that, and you find people, they are dying for money and they are killing each other for money. This is a center of attraction for the people. The families are divided, the relations are broken. Money is one of the reasons the bad things are happening in this world, but we cannot ignore the importance of money. Today you need to have a good education that is equally proportionate to the knowledge that you have collected for yourself, and the amount of knowledge you have, your chances are slightly higher when you do something good in your career. To get a good education, getting admission at the very nice places when you could learn anything extraordinary. So like you need to keep investing about your personality development, and you need to invest the money to collect the amount of knowledge that may turn into the great investment. You could make a huge return through this. Today people, they earn money but they do not know how to manage the money. Whenever you have money comes in your life so faster, then this is the challenge about your character that may be disbalanced. So like managing the money is also one thing we need to know how to handle it, because whenever the money comes in a lot portion to you, when this is an examination of a person, how does he respond to others. Money gives you status, money gives you good education, money gives you good lifestyle, but you should not leave your comfort to earn the comfort, where many people are doing. They are not taking care of their health, they are not very health conscious. When they are waking up, when they are sleeping, there is no time fixed, because 24/7 the money that goes around in their mind, it's not a right thing. You are a good businessman, you become good professional, but ultimately you have been trapped by so many lifestyle diseases like cancer, heart attack, and stress. The amount of stress you are consuming at the regular basis just to make a bucket of money, and you are making others unhappy. Money is good when it is earned ethically, but many people, they are doing illegal work. It is not justified. You won't be able to enjoy this money. So money is a very good and very beautiful source. Like you can make the best use of your life. You can enjoy, you can travel the way you want to lead your life. You can do it. Money gives you freedom. Money gives you time freedom. You can hire anybody else and you can get your work done very good. When you go outside, you don't have problem, you don't have worries like what will be going on if I'm not there at my place. So money ultimately sets you free from every people. You look at the people, they are 12 hours, 15 hours are giving their job, and they're not taking care of their family, because the time which is left, which is very less, whether the person should rest in that or he spends a time with his family. The personal life, professional life, that both should be maintained properly and that should go together.